Scon Design is a well-established company in Delhi that specializes in providing survey instruments and accessories. With a strong presence in the market, Scon Design has become the go-to choice for professionals and businesses in need of reliable and high-quality survey equipment. Located in the prestigious Greenpark area, Scon Design is conveniently accessible to customers looking for survey instrument accessory dealers in this region. As one of the leading survey instrument accessory dealers in Greenpark, Scon Design offers a wide range of products to meet the diverse needs of its customers. Whether you are looking for tripods, prisms, reflectors, or any other accessory for your survey instruments, Scon Design has you covered. Their extensive inventory ensures that customers can find the right accessories to enhance the functionality and accuracy of their surveying equipment. What sets Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers in Greenpark is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The company sources its products from reputable manufacturers who adhere to strict quality standards. This ensures that customers receive durable and reliable accessories that can withstand the rigors of outdoor surveying activities. Additionally, Scon Design provides excellent customer service, with knowledgeable staff who can assist customers in finding the right accessories for their specific requirements. The location of Scon Design in Greenpark is another advantage for customers seeking survey instrument accessory dealers in the area. Greenpark is a well-connected and easily accessible neighborhood, making it convenient for customers to visit the showroom and make their purchase. The central location also allows for efficient delivery of products to customers in and around Greenpark. In conclusion, Scon Design is a reputable company that offers a wide range of survey instrument accessories to professionals and businesses in Greenpark. With their high-quality products, excellent customer service, and convenient location, Scon Design has become a preferred choice among survey instrument accessory dealers in the area. Whether you are in need of tripods, prisms, reflectors, or any other accessory for your survey instruments, Scon Design can fulfill your requirements and provide you with reliable and durable products. Visit their showroom in Greenpark or contact them today to find the perfect accessories for your surveying needs. Scon Design is a renowned company based in Delhi that specializes in providing high-quality survey instruments and accessories. With their extensive range of products, they cater to a wide range of customers, including professionals and enthusiasts in the field of surveying. The company has established itself as one of the leading dealers in Greenpark, offering a comprehensive selection of survey instruments and accessories to meet the diverse needs of their customers. As surveying plays a crucial role in various industries such as construction, engineering, and land surveying, it is essential to have access to reliable and accurate survey instruments. Scon Design understands this requirement and ensures that their customers have access to top-notch products that deliver accurate results. Their range of survey instruments includes theodolites, total stations, GPS receivers, laser levels, and more. These instruments are sourced from trusted manufacturers to ensure the highest level of quality and performance. In addition to survey instruments, Scon Design also offers a wide range of accessories that complement their products. These accessories include tripods,